puppy-themed rooms for your new home. Your favorite Space Coast Realtor, Margarett, is bringing you some positively adorable ideas for creating the ultimate puppy-themed room for your furry best friend. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss out on more fun home and decor ideas for you and your pups. Let's design your pup's dream space. When you move into your new home, it's not just about your comfort, it's about your dogs too. After all, our fur babies deserve their own cozy corner to nap, play, and show off those wagging tails. Here are some fun, stylish, and downright fetching ideas for your puppy-themed room. 1. The Puppy Palace bedroom. Turn a spare room or nook into a doggy haven. Think a comfy memory foam dog bed, a personalized name sign above it, and soft pastel walls with paw print decals or dog bone wallpaper. Add a few framed photos of your pup. Yes, doggy glamour shots are 100% necessary. Boing! Bon! Install a little nightstand next to their bed for treats, brushes, and a cute lamp shaped like a dog bone. 2. The Doggy Den Lounge. Every dog loves to relax in style. Add a plush dog-sized couch, soft throw blankets, and even a mini TV to play their favorite dog TV shows while you're out. Use dog-themed pillows, artwork of your favorite breeds, or even a rug with paw prints for that extra touch of whimsy. Pro tip: a small corner with a window seat lets your pup keep an eye on the neighborhood, because we all know that's their favorite pastime. 3. The Treat and Toy Station. You can't have a puppy paradise without snacks and toys galore. Install floating shelves or cubby bins for toy storage, labeled with fun names like Fetch Zone and Snack Shack. Add cute glass jars for treats, decorated with paw stickers or chalkboard labels. Must have: a treat jar that says Good Boy Fuel or Puppy Power Snacks. Your dog will approve. 4. The Pup Spa Corner. Make bath time less rough. In your laundry room or mudroom, add a dog washing station, a raised shower area with a handheld sprayer and built-in storage for shampoos and towels. Hang up a sign that says Spa Day every day and keep a basket of fluffy towels just for them. For extra flair, use dog pattern tiles or a cute paw print shower curtain. 5. The Wall of Fame. Frame your dog's cutest pictures, adoption certificate, or even little paw prints in clay. Create a Dog of the Year wall. It's your home, your rules. 6. The Doggy Playroom. If you've got the space, make a mini agility area or play corner inside. Toss in a tunnel, chew toys, and a cozy teepee for naps. It's like a kid's playroom, but with squeaky toys and slobber. Bonus idea: match your home decor. You can totally blend your pup's area with your home's style. For a modern look, go with neutral dog beds, sleek black food bowls, and clean lines. For coastal vibes, perfect for us space coasters, choose aqua blues, sandy tones, and shell accents. Your pup will be the classiest beach dog around. Your home is more than just four walls. It's where tails wag, paws pitter-patter, and hearts feel full. So when you're ready to find that perfect home for both you and your pups, I'd love to help you make it happen. Call me anytime, 321-480-7662. Find your next dream home. http://Margarett sells dream homes. Come watch home tours and fun tips. https://www.youtube.com. Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these puppy room ideas was your favorite? Or do you have a fun one I missed? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing your creative ideas. And don't forget, subscribe and like so you never miss another fun idea for your home and your pups.